Hi everyone, this is Sumay from Tulip here today to walk you through a new Kaizen Funnel application. The Kaizen Funnel application allows users to submit ideas and Kaizen opportunities for the company and allows them to track the progress of their Kaizen opportunity. Furthermore, there is a section for management to review and edit these Kaizen opportunities and accept or reject them and provide feedback for the same. Lastly, there's a dashboard which allows people to see data on the number of Kaizen opportunities submitted, the number of Kaizen opportunities actually approved, as well as the number of Kaizen opportunities completed and scheduled, as well as lastly the area for which this Kaizen opportunity was submitted. So diving into the app, initially we see a screen to either submit an opportunity or to manage the funnel and actually see what opportunities have been submitted. So diving into an opportunity submission screen, I would actually want to submit a new idea right now. So creating a new Kaizen opportunity. And putting the information in. I'm going to call this a quality type of improvement with a medium urgency and putting in a quick description about what I want to get done. You see that I have the opportunity to add a photo as well, but I'm going to go ahead and submit this opportunity. And what we see now is that this opportunity has been submitted and I have the option to see all opportunities that I have submitted. So what we see is that this is the opportunity that's been submitted by me, as well as a history of all the opportunities that I've submitted. And what we see is that my Kaizen opportunity is at the status where it needs review. So going back to the navigation screen, I also have the opportunity to see all other Kaizen opportunities submitted at the company, and what I see are the two other Kaizen opportunities that have actually been submitted. Now diving into the funnel management side of things for management teams to actually see how they can manage these funnels, what we see is that there are currently one pending submissions, which is the Kaizen opportunity that I just submitted. So going into the pending submissions, what I have the opportunity to update the status to either investigating, accepted, or rejected. And I'm actually going to accept it and click update. And what that seems is that the Kaizen opportunity has now been accepted and it has to be scheduled. So now I have the opportunity to schedule this Kaizen opportunity. So I'm going to open it and actually schedule it. And click Edit Kaizen to actually schedule it. So I'm going to schedule it for today. And I'm actually going to hit as completed, and with the participant of Sumer and with a leader of myself and facilitator myself, and I hit save, and what we see is that my Kaizen opportunity has been submitted and it's now updated to 2 completed Kaizens. Lastly, I can go to the dashboard, and what we see is that there have been 3 ideas submitted this month, out of which all 3 have been accepted, with 2 of the Kaizens completed, and lastly a bar chart of Kaizens by location in terms of where these Kaizens have been submitted, as well as a bar chart of where the Kaizens have been completed, accepted, closed, and rejected. But what we see is that all Kaizens in this case have been completed. So thank you for following along with our Kaizen Funnel application, and if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us at support@tulip.com. And once again, thank you for listening.